my channel. As you already know by the title, that today I am going to share with you few products that I have been using during this quarantine period. These are the very basic products in skincare, hair care and body care, and I have been enjoying these products a lot. So in short, they have been my go-to products from the last couple of months. So let's see my quarantine essentials and let's begin with the video. The first product which is an essential is a sanitizer, and this is a Lifebuoy sanitizer. And this I have got from my local shop nearby my place, and this is 240 ml of product and it retails for rupees 299. Since it is an essential and I think it is going to be an essential for a long period of time, that's why I have got a bigger bottle. A bigger bottle comes in very handy, especially when we are at home all the time. So this is my first essential. Now moving on to another quarantine essentials of mine. This is the Be Ready to Use full body waxing kit, and these are the waxing strips. I'll just open and show it to you. These are the strips. Due to this lockdown, all salons are closed. That's why I got this from my local store. And this has 20 wax strips and it retails for rupees 199. I have used another version of this which was for sensitive skin. I have been using it on my arms and legs, mostly on my legs, and I have not faced any kind of problem as such. Although it's not very easy to do by yourself, but since all the salons are closed, this is the only choice, and I don't use razor. That's why I have been using this, and it has been quite a savior. So this is my second essential. Moving on to my next essential, this is the Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Deodorant. This is how it looks, and it is a roll-on, and this is 50 ml of product and it retails for rupees 185. And this is the first time that I have used this product. I wonder why I have not used it before. Actually, I used to be afraid of using anything on my underarm because mostly it causes skin darkening. But I've been using it from the past 1 month and I have not seen any issue as such. I must say it's a lifesaver because right now weather in Bangalore is quite hot and humid, so I tend to sweat, and it controls the odor for whole 24 hours, which is commendable. So I really like this product, and this is not as expensive because you don't need a lot of product, so this will last you for a very long time. So this is the third essential. Moving on to my next essential, this is the Nivea Lip Balm with SPF 15, and this I got from Big Basket when I was ordering my groceries. तब मैंने इसको order किया था because it was not available at my local store. I ordered the original Care Nivea, the original Nivea Lip Balm, but instead they sent me Nivea Men Active Care. As you can see, it is written Nivea Men Active Care. They might not be having the original Nivea, so that's why they sent it, but it hardly matters. I'm using it, and the only thing that I have noticed that जो मेरा original Nivea lip balm था, जो मैं इसके पहले use कर रही थी, that used to make my lips more hydrated as compared to this one. So it does not last on my lips for a very long time. That is the only difference that I have noticed. Apart from that, it's a normal lip balm and it retails for rupees 140. It is the same price like the original Nivea lip balm, but it does not stay on my lips for that long as the original used to. But apart from that, it's a normal lip balm. So yeah, that's that. So this is my next essential. Moving on to my next essential, which is a repurchase. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. You must have seen me talking about this in my top 5 moisturizers. I have gone through I think 2 to 3 tubs of this product, and this is my repurchase. And right now in this weather, this is the only moisturizer that helps keeping my skin hydrated, and it does not make my skin very sticky or oily. Apart from my Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, I am using this in the daytime, and I have been loving both these moisturizers a lot. It is 73 grams of product and it retails for rupees 140, so again very cheap, and you can easily get it in your local store. मैंने भी अपने local store से ही लिया है. So a very good moisturizer during the summer time. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to my next essential, this is the Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub by The Face Shop, and this is the only scrub that I've been using for past couple of months, and this is a very good scrub especially for dry skin people. इसमें बहुत ही minute sugar particles हैं and it has honey as well, so it does not make my skin dry at all. In fact, ये काफ़ी moisturize और hydrated रखता है skin को after you apply it. And this has 120 ml of product and it retails for around 900. ये मैंने lockdown period में नहीं लिया है. I ordered it before the lockdown. I have been using it every week and it gives very good results on my face. So I've been loving this a lot. So that's the next product. Moving on to my next essential, which is a recent find of mine. This is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, and this is how it looks. This is 50 ml of product and it retails for rupees 270 I think. Now this is something that I have seen in Nykaa app also, and I found it in my local store. So I was quite intrigued as to how it is going to work. So I'm just going to show you. This is how the consistency is. ये बिल्कुल एक जेल की तरह है देखने में, and I'll just apply a little bit at the back of my hand and show it to you. This is like a clear gel, and when we apply it on the skin, As you can see, it acts like an oil, exactly like bio oil. तो ये लगाने के बाद बिल्कुल वैसा फील होता है जैसे कि बायो ऑयल लगाने पे फील होता है. इट्स वेरी वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग एंड वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग बट नॉन ऑयली एट द सेम टाइम. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव रब्ड इट एंड ये बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा या ऑयली नहीं है स्किन पे एंड इट गेट्स सोक्ड अप ऑन टू द स्किन आफ्टर 5 to 10 मिनट्स. और ये बिल्कुल भी स्किन को ऑयली नहीं बनाता है एंड इट कीप्स माई स्किन हाइड्रेटेड एंड मॉइस्चराइज फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो मैं इसको जनरली अपने हैंड्स और लेग्स पे यूज करती हूँ. आई हैव नॉट यूज इट ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज आई डू नॉट नीड दिस अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन ऑन माई फेस राइट नाउ एज द समर्स आर गोइंग ऑन. बट सिंस माई हैंड्स एंड फेस आर मोस्टली ड्राई ऑल अराउंड द ईयर, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फाइंड आई वुड से. बट आई थिंक इट्स अ बिट कॉस्टली. इट रिटेल्स for rupees 270 only for 50 ml. So I think it's a bit costly, but you can definitely give it a try if you're looking to try something new in the bio oil range. And if you have bio oil, you can definitely use it. ये exactly वैसे ही काम करता है. So if you have bio oil with you, you don't need to buy this. Otherwise, you can give it a try if you want to. So this is my next essential and I think I'm going to use it in the winter as well. अगर तब तक ये finish नहीं हुआ तो. So yeah, that's that. Now we're down to the last two essentials of mine and both of them are from the hair care range. The first product is the organic cold pressed coconut oil and this is the coconut oil that I've been using. This is from the brand Arya. So this is what I've been using for oiling my hairs. और इसमें मैं incorporate करती हूँ ये tea tree oil. This is from Beautyco. I incorporate 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil in this coconut oil and then I massage the coconut oil on my hairs and I leave it overnight and then the next day I wash my hairs. जब से मैंने इन दोनों को साथ में यूज करना स्टार्ट किया है I have been experiencing lesser hair fall और मुझे dandruff और hair fall दोनों में ही काफी डिफरेंस महसूस हुआ है. So that's why I've been using this combo from the last 2 months. So those were all the products that are my lockdown or quarantine essential. I hope you liked today's video and if you did, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you soon next time with some other video. Till then, bye bye.